Can I report anonymous messages on WhatsApp?
Hello there. Today we're tackling a question that many users of the popular messaging app, WhatsApp, often find themselves asking. Can I report anonymous messages on WhatsApp? Well, we're here to answer that and guide you through the process.
Can you report anonymous messages on WhatsApp?
To put it simply, yes, you can report anonymous messages on WhatsApp. Although WhatsApp boasts end-to-end encryption, ensuring only you and the person you're communicating with can read what is sent, it doesn't mean that there aren't instances of misuse. Users are able to report any suspicious or harmful activity, even from an unknown contact.
How to report anonymous messages?
Now, you're probably wondering, how exactly do I report these messages? Let's walk through the process. 1. Open the anonymous chat in question. 2. Tap the name of the contact at the top of the screen to open the contact info page. 3. Scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the Report option. 4. Click on Report and you'll be asked to confirm your choice. After you confirm, the chat will be reported to WhatsApp for further investigation.
What happens after reporting?
Once you report the chat, it will be sent to WhatsApp for review. WhatsApp takes violations of its terms of service very seriously, and they'll take appropriate action if they find that the reported chat violates their rules. Also, it's important to note that the person or group you reported will not be notified that you've reported them.
How can you protect yourself further?
Reporting is one step, but there's more you can do to protect yourself. Block the contact. This ensures they can't message or call you anymore. Manage your privacy settings. You can control who can see your last seen status, profile photo, or your online status, and who can add you to groups. That wraps up our discussion on reporting anonymous messages on WhatsApp. Remember, your safety and peace of mind are of utmost importance. Don't hesitate to report any suspicious activity you encounter. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Stay safe and happy texting.